Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 29 Maugham Court. This is a fantastic purpose-built ground floor apartment, giving you two good-sized bedrooms, a modern fitted kitchen, the lounge dining space, and a huge bonus in the garage en bloc as well. Now the property is surrounded by communal gardens to the front and the rear, and we're going to start today's tour just by coming through from the hallway and we're going into the main lounge space. Now with the lounge here again, you've got that beautiful modern finish throughout, really nice and clean and tidy, lots and lots of space to work with, really light and bright and airy as well, and then just overlooking the communal gardens to the front. Coming through into the kitchen, a range of fitted appliances in here, as well as space for further white goods. Again, a really nice, clean and modern space to work with. Plenty of storage in the cupboards there as well. And again, a wonderful outlook just out to the front of the property there. Coming back through into the hallway, we're going to go and take a look at the main family bathroom. Then we'll go ahead and take a look at the two bedrooms before we head outside and take a look at the garage en bloc and the communal gardens. The main bathroom here itself, family bathroom at that, a wonderful sized room with of course the bath and shower on the right hand side, loo and sink unit straight ahead of us, and then coming through to the rear we've got those two wonderful good sized bedrooms. So again, fantastic sized room here with the view across the back into the communal gardens. Plenty of space in here for the bed and for plenty of storage as well. You can see just the tops there of the garages as well, so we'll go through and take a look at that a little bit later on. And then going through into another bedroom here, fantastic size room yet again, plenty of space in here for the double bed, plenty of room for storage, and again another wonderful outlook into the back garden with some fitted wardrobes already. So as we walk through the communal gardens and we go through and across to the garage en bloc, we're just going to run through a couple of the property's key points. So this is number 29 Maugham Court. It is ideally located for easy access to the surrounding amenities. You've got your self-contained entrance here as well. On the ground floor, two good sized bedrooms, that modern fitted kitchen and the garage en bloc. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.